Alright, today we are not making any wimpy hamburger, we're not doing any wimpy chicken. Today we're going Texas He-Man style. Brisket. I'm going to share this rub with you at the end of the video. But first thing I'm going to do is get everything all lathered up, get the good rub worked into this. This is really good, nice spicy rub, got the paprika in it, a lot of salt, a lot of onion and garlic. Kind of press this bad boy in place. Alright, put some butcher's twine on the brisket in the direction of the grain. That way I'll know which way to cut, because you want to cut against the grain once it's done. But this is just a reminder which way the grain's going. Right, for this brisket we will be putting together a mop. And we'll put the mop on the brisket about once an hour. This will keep the brisket nice and moist. So let's put it together. Brisket so good, so manly. The best part is it takes a long time to cook. It's very tough, so it takes about an hour per pound. So most briskets are 7 to 10 pounds, which means 7 to 10 hours on the grill. Brisket's now on the grill. Let it go until it's up to 170 degrees internal temperature. There's something about getting up at dark 30 and starting to grill. It's just kind of cool. Alright, so now it is time for the mop. Just trying to keep it moist. Big, grilling's a lot of work. We're about 3 hours in, so let's take a look, see how the brisket's looking. That's a good looking brisket. Okay, the brisket's reached 170 degrees, so now I'm going to take some tin foil, wrap the brisket up, put a bunch of mop sauce on it before and close it up and let it steam and get it up to about 190 when it'll be ready to take off the smoker. I took the brisket off when it reached 190 degrees and let it rest for about an hour now, and all the good work is now in front of us. And now the carving. Alright, my official taster. Go ahead.
This is the best one you've done. This is so... Oh my stars. It is good. Yummy. Perfect.
Cut the brisket as thin as you can. Here's a good. It's about a quarter of an inch. Look at that, the smoke line. And there's your brisket, beef brisket.
Yummy. Yummy.
Prep to dinner table only 7 hours. Bon appetit.
Down in Jamaica, I'm feeling my soul full of relaxation. Along comes a cutie, a brown-eyed beauty with good vibrations. Thoughts fill the air and turn into fantasies, a silent endorsement of possibilities. Jamaica, Jamaica, you're making me crazy. You're making me